dog.
It's a seat.
Is it a seat?
Oh,
That's
too
so
much.
cool.
Check out the dog. He's going for a cruise in his bike. I hope he looks. At lane ends. I can't get a picture of him. See, that's why those people are gonna cut him off. Alright, we're doing that challenge from Gregory Salvatore. What's your favorite road? Well, his favorite road is the wife's favorite road. Grosse Ile Highway or Drive. And takes you to the island of Grosse Ile. You see the Grosse Ile Bridge up here ahead. Without traffic today. Getting a squeaky noise out of the Corvette. Parks that we hang out with for our cruise. Elizabeth Park. It's out the water by Grosse Ile. Figure show a little bit of it. It goes in a circle. The park's a circle. This used to be a big hangout when I was in high school, not no more. They kicked all us high school people out with our cars. And this was a big hangout back then in the late 80s. Hot rods and a lot of then back then the Mustangs, Camaros, Corvettes like this 87. It's a nice park. This is one of our favorite rides that's local that you can cruise to in Trenton, Michigan. Alright, we're going up Gregory's favorite road challenge. We got a couple favorite roads. Right here on this road's one of our favorites. We'll be heading somewhere. Yeah, but where we're heading right now is Mile End Dragway. It's my favorite road to get there. We're supposed to run the Corvette today, but we had some issues trying to get the U-joints out, strip some bolts. So we're on Plank Road. Here we are. Some fast stuff. This is our favorite road.